Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by minimizing risk and refreshing the core shell. First, save open files and close non-essential apps so a process restart won't corrupt data. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC, find Windows Explorer under Processes, then click Restart. This reloads the taskbar and often fixes icons, missing search, or unresponsive zones. If Explorer isn't listed, use File Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE. Once done, make sure nothing else is blocking the shell. Next, address deeper causes by repairing files and checking settings. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if SFC reports issues. This fixes corrupted files affecting the taskbar. Meanwhile, open Settings Personalization taskbar and confirm icon visibility, auto-hide, and overflow rules. Incorrect toggles can hide elements. If problems persist, create a new local user and sign in to determine whether your user profile is causing the fault. Finally, resolve remaining issues by targeting drivers and third-party conflicts. Update or roll back display and GPU drivers via Device Manager because rendering bugs often break the taskbar. Perform a clean boot using msconfig to disable non-Microsoft services and startup items, then re-enable them one group at a time to find the culprit. If corruption remains, use System Restore to a known good snapshot or reset this PC while keeping files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.